Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ping spikes on Windows 11 so you can enjoy smooth gaming and browsing without sudden lag. So the process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, the most common cause of sudden ping spikes is a clogged up DNS cache. So we can clear this out in a second using a simple command. So all you do is simply open your Start menu, then type cmd, and then run this as an administrator. Now in the command prompt, just simply write a simple command that you can find in the description box below. Type ipconfig /flush DNS, then hit enter. And now you will see a message saying the resolver cache was successfully flushed. So after that, you have to paste another command, which you can again find in the description box below. So simply copy that and paste it right over here. Paste netsh Winsock reset. Just simply hit enter. And then it'll tell you to restart your computer. But don't do that just yet. We have 2 more settings to fix first. So you can close the command prompt now. So now your internet provider's default server can be slow and unstable. So what you can do is switch to Google's public DNS server, which is often much faster and more consistent. So open your Settings menu by clicking on your Start button, then select Settings. Now inside your settings, on the left-hand sidebar, just simply select Network and Internet. And now, just simply click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whichever way you're using the internet. So for me, I'm currently using the LAN cable, so I click on Ethernet. And now scroll down a little bit and you see a DNS server assignment option right here. Click on the Edit button. And now change the setting to Manual and toggle on IPv4. First, enter the preferred DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. Then enter the alternate DNS in the lower box over here, which is 8.8.4.4. And now click on Save. And this routes your traffic through a faster lane. Lastly, Windows has a hidden feature that uses your internet to upload updates to other people. Now this can cause massive ping spikes, so we need to turn this feature off immediately. So what you'll do is just simply go back to the Settings menu, then click on Windows Update, and over here, click on Advanced Options. Now scroll down and you should be able to see Delivery Optimization. Click on that. And inside this option, you will see a toggle that says Allow downloads from other PCs. Just simply turn this feature off. Now go ahead and restart your computer to apply all the changes that we have done so far. And that's it. Your ping should now be low and stable. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.